Hey, lovies, let's do a simple soft glam. Come on, get your tools. What you doing? Okay, so I just went in with a hyaluronic acid. I'm taking it all over my face, rubbing it in, getting that moisture, because we want a good moisturized face. I'm gonna go in with a cream to lock in the hyaluronic acid, and I'm using a retinol and girl bye niacinamide cream. And I'm gonna go in with the Skin Prep Toner by Maron. And I'm gonna take this off my T-zone. I'll get my makeup set here. And I'm gonna let this dry down just a little bit. I'm gonna go in with I'm just gonna get this over my oily spots. And stay all day. So no matter if I sweat, if I get oily. Well, I know I get sick of oily. Okay, the last step of prepping is using a pressed powder on all of your oily areas, which is usually our T-zone. If you have other areas, make sure you cover those as well. And I'm using a pressed powder, translucent. I'm using the brand Maybelline. This step is to conceal and then blend. Start with these areas on your cheek, under your lips, in the middle of your nose, on your upper lip, and underneath your eye. Hold on, wait. Don't blend just yet. Add this foundation to your brush, to your normal skin shade. Okay, now we blend using patting motions. But first, we're going to apply this foundation to our contour areas. La 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 la, keep patting, girl. Keep patting, we just not getting the motion, so. Shade 520. And I'm contouring. Slash putting on foundation. I'm not taking contouring because I really kind of like highlight it with those lighter colors. I didn't put my foundation on first. I just went in with straight. I just went in and straight start concealing. So now I'm blending out those concealed areas. And this my upper lip. My nose. My forehead. And then I'm gonna go to stay light. Now I could have went in with the same brush, but it would have made this a little bit deeper. And I want to keep it kind of bright in this area. And then, as soon as I get done with this brush, I want to go in and ooh, it looks like somebody. I'm going like mid, like I ain't going super bright, cause it's like I'm doing Glam, but I ain't going bonkers Glam because I'm going about study for one. I don't want to do too much there. I could, but you never know how Bible study get, honey. You might get declined. So this kind of perfect for me. See, that is too light, is it? Now this shade 332 in the Maybelline pressed powder. You can get this off Amazon. Maybe at like a Walmart if they have this shade. Sometimes Walmart don't be having the shades that we need as color girls, but this is kind of a common shade. Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, yeah. Okay. Who ain't looking like somebody? I found us a new bronzer. Because I've been using a bronzer that you can't buy in the store because it's not in the stores anymore. So I found this one, and it's the Jaclyn Hill Pressed Bronzer. And this shade is top down. So this shade deepens me up, but it doesn't go so deep. It's like perfect. It ain't overly warm. Baby, these bangs is in the way of my tutorial. But they really not, because I be want to be cute. I be want to be cute, like when I'm doing my makeup, like, cause I want to give y'all cute content. So I don't be want to have still. And my hair not bad done. Okay, so y'all see I went here, bronze here, here, here. And you can take it all the way back here if you need to. I really don't need to. I'm really good. And then I'm gonna go even with an even deeper bronzer. This is Trailblazer. This is a Morphe. This is a Morphe Morphe face and body bronzer. It's the Glamour bronze, and I think they no longer sell these. I'm trying to see if I'm gonna need this brush again if I go deeper, but I don't think so. So I'm gonna go deeper like here. Cause I want my forehead to be deep. Okay. And then you see how we didn't have to do all the people got some. You're supposed to go on with your foundation stuff and then powder it. But the cream blush and the powder blush, that's a lot. That's a lot of work. And I don't got fun. So I'm gonna contour my nose. I'm here. Not cereal. Who that is?
It's me.
Maya.
Your cousin talking about damn.
Oh, they left this bitch wide open. I'm so weak. I'm gonna use the Trailblazer. It's a powder, remember. Now I usually cream contour my nose, but you can do both again. Ain't no right or wrong when it comes to makeup. I literally just use foundation when I conceal my whole face. So ain't no right or wrong. Now I want to conceal my nose, but I don't want to do too much, only because it's a Wednesday. And I don't want to look like I'm about to get a girl to whoop down on a Wednesday. So I'm not even gonna take my nose contour all the way down. Oh my God, don't judge me, cause why I'm calling my mouth up like that. But girl, you really gotta freaking focus. Like, do whatever you need to do. Yeah. Okay. Let me keep the light. Let's turn some of these lights off so y'all can see me real good. So y'all can see how I'm looking in real time. I think I'm gonna deepen in my cheeks just a little bit. Cheese. Okay. Boom. With my Girl Boss lip gloss. This from Rebel Beauty Cosmetics. And I love it. Smell like cake. Now I got this a while back. I don't think this brand no longer sells this gloss. But yeah, it's perfect. It's sheer, but buildable. I just realized I had like 3 of these. It's doing it for me. Is it doing it for y'all? Then I'm going with a clear gloss. Hold on, let me see if I can find this clear gloss. I'm gonna go in with this pink clear lip gloss. just about the whole video. And it smells like lip balm. It smells like fucking candy. This will make me love this. This the finished look. I'm going to Bible study. And afterwards, I'm going to get a little food. I literally got one nail on each finger. I'm screwing. It don't matter. I want to get some content today. I want to be consistent in 2024. I want to show y'all more of me. Yeah. So we bringing the looks. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Okay. It's giving. Okay, I know what we need. I know what we need. Cause I love an extra pop. Just a little bit. Only because, yeah. I'm gonna go with a little mess. What's going on here? They did it. So this is the final look. Yeah, I'm loving this light right here. I'm loving this one. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. I thank y'all so much and I appreciate y'all. Next time we can have a little girl talk. I can give y'all a little story time. But this look was done in about 35 minutes, I'd say. Maybe 40. This was real light and easy. And I love that for us. Comment below. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me if you want it. TikTok or Instagram. And yeah, I'm gonna do more tutorials. We in the game.